So in a shower, you put up your back panel first. So I've got my back panel measured. Something that I like to do is I put a straight edge down this wall to see how flat this is. You know, sometimes you've got different thicknesses of sheetrock or whatever. I like to make sure that I can make when I put this panel up, I put it straight. That way when I measure my end panels, I don't have to worry about things coming in or coming out. If I've got that as straight as possible coming down this wall, I don't have to worry about anything going back and forth. So to accomplish that, if you've got two different levels, I'll just put some extra silicone in those spots, and that when I put this panel up, it's easier to push it straight, and then I can push it straight, and then of course your caulking is a lot smaller.